James? What's going on?
Germans. Over there. Gone now.
How many?
3.
Yeah, we saw them too.
Are they gone?
Yeah.
Sarge, I finished checking that Jerry for intelligence. He's got nothing, not even food.
See any more of them?
Just the 3 we saw running. Lots of tracks, though.
Can you tell how many?
Could be 3, could be 20. No way to tell. Tracks get all jumbled together.
All right. Good work, Cass. All right. We're not going to go any further today. We'll stay right here for tonight. Jimmy, you know, I'll take the Kraut's hole, Cass. You only have to start digging another hole right over there.
Sarge, I am not going to be in a hole with that guy. Sarge, we got to get out of here. What if they come back? We ain't going to survive like this.
Look, I don't think either of you two have any better suggestions. And if you do, I don't want to hear them. Start digging. You only have an hour and a half left before sunset. James? Jimmy? To win this war, some of our boys are gonna have to get it.
Boys. Just boys.
Look, James, you gotta stop this, all right? You're letting this tear you apart. You can't grieve for all of them.
I know. I can't help it. I hate this. I hate this so much. I mean, he was just a kid. Just a kid.
Look, James, stop this, all right? It's not worth it.
Me stop this. Me stop this. You stop this. How can you sit there and tell me that he's not worth it? That he's not worth it? Who is worth it? Are you worth it? Am I worth it? Is anybody worth it?
Get a hold of yourself. All right, look, Jimmy. The cost of all this, at times, is life.
Whose life?
The Germans.
They're people too. How many have to die? How many have to die until you're satisfied?
Look, I just do my job.
How many?
Offhand, I'd say all of them. Why do you feel this way?
Wouldn't expect you to understand anyway. When we get back, I want you to transfer me. Reassign me. Just can't take this frontline stuff anymore.
Okay. I will.
Promise me.
All right. I promise. As soon as we get back, I'll get you a nice rear echelon job. Okay? Okay?
Okay. Thanks.
All right. Why don't you go ahead and take the first watch in the hole, and I'll take care of Bobby.
Some ways I wish that I were like Jimmy. I wish I could feel something. Fear of dying, love for my wife, pain of a fallen comrade, just something. Anything. But all I feel is empty.
Cass, what are you doing here? It's my duty to get as many of these Jerrys as I can. How many men have you seen die? Of ours? More than I can count. Doesn't it even bother you? Sure, it bothers me. That's the cost of war. Cost of freedom. You sound like the Sarge. And what's wrong with that? The Sarge is a great man. You should want to be like him. I do. Never feel sorrow, never feel pain. That's what being an American soldier is all about. Fight for freedom no matter what the cost. I don't want to be like him. It didn't even bother him when Bobby got it. Even now. I refuse to be like him. He's a hell of a soldier. Yeah, but at what cost? Is it worth losing your humanity? Wonderful.